Hello guys, I'm small video. So today we're going to play the game. Oh yeah. So this. So anyways guys, first channel subscribe right now. So anyways, I'm going to say the game. That anyways, that is easy game. There's my easy. I think I'm going to get easier. So I have this jump. So let me know in comments, alright? So I can just being lagging guys. So let me know in comments what is my favorite game guys. I keep on lagging I think. Rah! Come on guys. Come on guys. We're almost there. We're almost there to what's that? Okay, so I'm going to beat that game guys. I definitely will beat that game. So I'm simple. So because Bobby so let me favorite game. So Messi or Ronaldo. Let me know in comments. I can just beat that game guys. I should just beat that game in easier game. In easy game I think is but anyway. Out, 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 out. Okay. Okay, so we're going to play it. Because anyway, we wanna play the game. This is called the easy game. So anyways guys, I wanted to beat that game. So I'm going to just beat that game because there's so many events in there. So I can just touch it if I want. Okay, this is the easy game. It's not hard, it's easy. Probably stop lagging. Stop lagging I think. Look at you all girls. You're ugly. So anyways, I'm going to beat that game. Ataya. Hey, you are ugly. Okay. Yes, I accidentally beat the entire game guys. Out. 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 Wow, look at this girl head. And also boy. Wow. I think I don't like it guys. So I'm going to